Okay, I'm going to show you how to use a Weebly site so that you can house all of your information for your civil rights project in an easy to use manner. You'll have to create a Weebly account, and at some point you'll be prompted to add a page, so you're going to do that. It'll ask you what type of page your focus is, and we're going to pick just regular site, and they'll give you different themes to choose from. I recommend the Clean Lines theme, though they offer a lot of different ones. The Clean Line does work very well for what you're being asked to do, and very easily adds pages. So we're going to create the website, and this is going to be your URL. So kind of pay attention to what you're typing in there so you can remember that. I'm going to continue, and right away I can start adding information. So if I want to put in civil rights, I can automatically do that. Most importantly, I want to go up to adding pages, and so I want to create court cases as one of my pages. Taking away the home page here, that's okay. I'm going to pick my format, that's good. I'm going to add another page. I know that I have to have current civil rights up there as one of my pages, and so I'm going to do that and that format, and I'm going to save and edit. And now when I get back to this, then I can just jump to those different pages. So if I go to current civil rights, it gives me this stock page that I can then edit. Okay, so current civil rights, if I want to pull down information here, I can pull up a current case. Okay, so the Ferguson one is one that's pretty recent. I put in my title. I can then drag down and add some text so that I can put in some text underneath that. If I want to add an image, I can also do that. If I want to add a YouTube clip, I can go down here and drag a YouTube clip into my page, and then all I have to do is go grab a URL. This has nothing to do with civil rights, but I'm just going to put it in there, and it will create a link, a direct link right on my page of the video. So I have that video. I'm obviously not just going to let that stand by itself. I'm going to provide analysis for why I'm putting that in there. Very important stuff there that's being typed, and this allows you to present a really diverse amount of information so that you can demonstrate your knowledge, but obviously it gives you the chance to not just link things but also provide analysis. If you really wanted to, you could also import a file and you could put a audio clip with that. So that's the basics there. If I want to edit the image, I can edit the image. They'll give me some stock pictures as options here, but I'm going to import an image from my computer. I don't actually have anything that is civil rights themed, so we're just going to pretend that I have something worthwhile in my desktop, which it should allow me to use, I'm hoping. Maybe not. Let's see, this PC, maybe that's what I need to do. Okay, so I go to pictures, and let's just go to camera roll, and alright, new indoor tennis balls. Alright, we're going to put that as the uploaded image. I'm sure that this is going to be super awesome. Okay, yep, it's blurry and everything, but I'm going to click save. Okay, I can save it to all pages or just to this page. Let's spare everyone and just save that to this page. So when I go to court cases, I'm back to the stock photo. So you could have a different photo for every page that you use. So as I add in the information and I get all the pages done, my last step then is going to be just to publish that. So when I publish, they're just going to say, all right, continue, yes. They might try and push you to purchase the upgraded version. You can just ignore that, and then you can go to whatever page it was that you created. So alright, it's great. It's actually published there. You don't have to continue on this. wdkurt.132.weebly.com. So weebly.com. Sorry, trying to type and talk is not working out very well. So it will just take me to that site that I created, and you can see all the changes that I made. So this is a very user-friendly format, I think, and there's a lot of things that can be achieved on it and added to this. You can add the YouTube clip there. I'm not sure why that didn't save, but you can. I've seen it done before. And should be a good place to house all of your information. So best of luck as you go through the civil rights movement, which is a very exciting unit in American history.